Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to take you around this approved used Audi S3 Saloon Black edition. Now this particular example is finished in the fantastic Tango red metallic paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that standout road appearance. Now to look towards the performance stats of the S3, this vehicle features a turbocharged 2-litre petrol engine which produces 306 brake horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque with a 0 to 62 time of just 4.8 seconds. Moving on now, looking at the external features, we find these fantastic adaptive LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find these 19-inch 8Y 5-arm structured design alloys which really complement the lovely red paintwork. To the side of the vehicle there is also that rear privacy glass which does keep the rear occupants in view, creates a lovely black and red contrast. Moving into the rear boot space of the S3 Saloon now, where we find up to 380 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional shopping bags, and the boot floor is also adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full quilted nap leather interior with the diamond leather centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points located across the back row, making the S3 perfect for family usage. Moving into the front cabin now, we find a large amount of plush material such as fine Napa leather, Dynamica Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S model, it does mean the vehicle features the S logo on both front Napa leather seats, as well as the additional white stitching to complement and that honeycomb diamond leather. Moving above now, we find the virtual cockpit display, which has featured two digital rev counters, as well as having access to telephone connectivity and vehicle data. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation. There's also allow access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised jaws and climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we find the optional reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making the S3 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi S3 Saloon Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.